you want? It looks like a big old firebomb in this guy. See it over there?
I see it.
Right there. You don't see it, Ciola? It's over there. See it?
Oh, I see it. Oh!
Where's Chase?
That's a rocket?
Yeah, that's a Falcon 9. That's a big, huge freaking rocket with 2 boosters on the side. Is it satellites again? 2 satellites is setting up to space. Is it gonna land? Nothing's gonna land? Oh, so we're not gonna hear it? Hurry before it separates!
See it?
You're gonna miss it. Separate yet? Should soon, huh? It doesn't even bother Axel.
I can see the rockets like, what is it called? With the thruster rates?
The boosters?
Yeah, the boosters.
Now it's separated, didn't it? No? 2 minutes till it's separated? Oh well, last time we could see it. But you're not gonna be able to see it this time. It's 2 minutes. It's gonna be too far away. Leave a little trail right there.
I'm just get out here so I can see it.
Oh.
And my feet doesn't get
I'm
cold.
gonna push you in.
Yeah.
I'm gonna push you in.
No. Chase. Now it's going down for some reason.
No, it's just going straight. It's not way down. It's gonna go straight. You're not gonna be able to see it.
Oh, it looks like it's yeah, they're falling.
No, there's nothing falling yet. Did it separate yet? No. Unless something happened. It did? See a little light behind it? A
No.
little light went poof. We're not gonna hear sonic boom because it's still down. That's for sure. Yeah, you don't want the sonic boom because it scares the shit out of you. Like, you know, I guess we could. Boom!
Is that the rocket landing? That noise?
It's the rocket still not in space. The thrusters.
Oh, it's right. Is that it? Oh, that's a plane.
No, it's gone. You can't see it now.
There's a plane.
see it
There's a
anymore.
plane right there.
Yeah, there's planes that fly all over. They can try to get aerial shots of the